So here I'm going to show you how you can get ridiculously high RPMs on YouTube. As you can see in my YouTube studio, this is just one of my videos. It got a $35 RPM and a $98 CPM, meaning that for every 1,000 views this video gets, I will actually get paid $35. Imagine if I had 10,000 views, that would just already be $350. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can boost your RPM and make it higher in your YouTube channel. So the most important thing on how you can increase your RPM is the video topics that you're making. So if you're making topics on gaming, vlogging, and videos that are targeted for the general audience, then you're going to have a relatively average to low RPM of $1 to $2, sometimes maybe $3. Now, if you want to have an RPM of upwards to $10, $15, where you can get paid so much more, you want to be able to make videos towards people with spending power. So in this case, most of the topics that have very high RPMs are money-related topics, finance-related topics, online businesses, online websites, and those are all topics that can get really high RPMs. I'm going to show you right over here. We're going to go into our YouTube studio. So now, as you can see, I have this video on how to make money using the Temu app. And now if you go over to the video analytics for this video, revenue, you can see that my RPM on this video alone is $20, and that's actually really high, and that's because you're making a video on an online website, which is Temu, and I'm also including on how to make money off of it. That way, the audience that's watching my videos are actually people who have spending power and need to make money, and so the people that are paying for ads to be shown in front of my videos, they're going to be paying a lot more. As you can see, the advertisers, they pay up to $40 for every 1,000 views, because the people watching my videos are a lot more valuable than people, let's say, watching gaming videos. So that's essentially how you can boost your YouTube RPM. It's all about the topic and also how valuable your viewers are that are watching your videos.